Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. I am super pumped and excited because I have got my I'm so used to saying Jeffree Star, but I have my Boxycharm face box. There's no Jeffree Star in here. I can't imagine Jeffree Star being in any subscription box. And this is the $25 a month base box. And it comes with 5 full-size items, and it's $25. Did I say 25? It's 25, just in case you missed it. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate that. I'm getting close to my 1,400 subscribers. What? Yes, I just did hit 1,300 subscribers very recently, but I'm about to get to 14, so look out for a new giveaway coming up real soon. And this is what it looks like when we open the box. I have all this stuff here. I'll move this down. All right, now we're gonna open the box, and there is a card, and it says "Sweet Treats," and it's super cute. It looks like I need my spectacles to read this card. And the first thing we have here is, and I'm so excited to have this, the Natasha Denona Iona eyeshadow palette. And this is a special edition palette created exclusively for Boxycharm, featuring 5 ultra pigmented neutral cool toned shades in a range of muted browns and a touch of sparkling metal green tourmaline, inspired by the Japanese meaning of Aya, meaning color and design, complete with Na, meaning elegant and graceful and delicate. It's the perfect everyday palette to create sophisticated classic looks as well as evening looks with a super glam finish, formulated with Natasha's signature blendable, user-friendly formulas and the highest quality pure color pigments, dazzling chrome crystals, and luminous pearls, suitable for every skin tone, cruelty-free and allergen-free, $48. So what I'm going to do is grab my calculator and keep a tally of how much the box value is. So let's take a look. And it is beautiful. Let's do some swatches. Look at that. That is gorgeous. That is truly beautiful. And great pigment, great quality. There's nothing I don't love about Natasha Denona, and this palette is a keeper. Next up is Touch in Sol, and I first discovered Touch in Sol through Boxycharm. Like I can't think of the name of it. But there was one in a bottle, and it had a very clever name, and I can't remember what it's called. But it's really good. It's the No Problem. That's what it is. And today I'm getting the Icy Sherbet Primer from Pretty Filter from Touch in Sol, and it's silicone free, and it has a cooling effect, which I think will be very nice. I love primers, and this packaging is gorgeous. It's got a little lid. It's like a gel. Look at that. It's like a little gel. It's really cool looking. And look, it came up like a little wave. It smells, it's got a pretty strong scent to it, but I don't mind fragrance in my makeup and stuff. I don't mind that at all, but it smells really good. It smells like a spa. It smells like a spa. Let's read about it. Touch in Sol Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. Lock your looks in place. You must lock them in place, you know. Keep them cool with Icy Sherbet Primer. The gel primer has an instant cooling effect once applied and hydrates and preps the skin for makeup. The formula is silicone free with water capturing technology to lock in moisture and leave your skin feeling silky smooth. MSRP $32. So far we're $80, and this is a $25 box, and I'm already thrilled with what I have. Next up is the Georgette Clinger. When I hear the name Clinger, it makes me think of MASH and the guy who's trying to cross-dress to get out of the Korean War. That's what Clinger reminds me of. But this is since 1941, Georgette Clinger. Vitamin C mask. Revitalize, brighten, and even your complexion in minutes with powerful infusion of vitamin C, which is just fantastic for the skin, to protect skin and prevent free radical damage while boosting collagen production. And collagen is so important. The clay-based mask, which I love clay-based masks. That is the original masks that I started using back in the day were all clay-based, and I love clay-based masks. And it draws out the impurities. It really makes me feel like my skin gets clean, allowing argan and avocado oils to nourish and revitalize your skin. $36. Let's see what it looks like. But I love a good clay mask, and you just don't get that many clay masks. Oh, it's in a great little pump. I'm not gonna, I'll pump some out. What the hell? What the hell? Oh, it looks like a yellow foundation color. That's what I'm gonna say, a yellow foundation color. But let's see. It feels smooth. It covers really nicely. So I'm excited to use that. Very nice. Next is, oh, all right. Look at this really fabulous package. It's got a whole person's face and torso and all that stuff on there. And this is Queen Studio Dragon Lash Mascara. Instantly create the look of lash extensions. If it really does that, then I'm gonna smack, I don't know, I'll smack somebody. Not hard, it'll be very playful, but I'll smack somebody if it's that good. This lash doubling volumizing mascara lengthens and separates, giving you flirty, intense black lashes. Dragon Lash Mascara is a semi-permanent high gloss black tubing mascara. Ooh, tubing mascara, that really does work. Unlike conventional wax-based mascaras, tubing mascaras contain polymers that wrap around your lashes, creating tubes so they don't smudge or flake. Plus, they're easy to remove, making you less likely to experience lash fallout during removal. Hooray for healthy lashes, $18. That's not a bad price. Very nice. And then last but not least, from Manicadar, which I'm never very excited to get anything from Manicadar, to tell you the truth. Manicadar is just, it's okay. Nothing to write home about. But who doesn't need tweezers? Everybody needs tweezers. And I'm a tweezer man gal. And I love tweezers because when they get dull, you can mail them into the company and they'll sharpen them and send you back those tweezers. So you can always have a fresh pair of tweezers. I just keep a couple on hand, and when I send one in, and I use another one, and then send one in and use another one, and it's a great cycle. But these are really lovely. We've got the real fine point and then the slanted point. I don't have one of the fine point tweezers, so I'm excited to have that because it's really great for getting those really fine hairs on your chin and under your brow. That's awesome. So it says, it's time to say pluck it to bad brows. The tweezer set contains one slanted tweezer for precise plucking and one pointed tweezer to isolate single hair in a large area. A long handle provides more controlled tweeze. $18. So to this box today, with the mascara, the tweezers, the clay mask, the primer, and this fantastic palette, the value is $152, which is fantastic for a $25 box. So I'm super thrilled and pumped to have this. Good job, Boxycharm. Some people were complaining about their boxes this month, but my premium was good. This one's good. And I'm just gonna thank you so much for being with me here. My cats are battering the door because they want in the room. That's what that noise is. God love them. But Mama won't let them play in here today. Have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.